this 2015 Chevy Traverse, and if you're looking for an SUV that has third row seating, heated seats, media center with backup camera, and more, then you want to see this vehicle. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gorgeous kind of a silver beige color. You have chrome outlining your grille up front, and then you have your headlamps, fog lamps below, accent lamps, so tons of lighting. This does have a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels. Then looking over at your side mirrors, you have those indicator lights on the sides. They are powered and heated. Alright, so looking at these seats, we have these brown leather seats. They are heated, super comfortable, power adjustable on both sides. And then looking over at your steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, your Bluetooth streaming, media controls, all there on the front. And then looking over at your media center, you have your radio options here, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. But all of your options can be found on these home pages, all of your Bluetooth and everything. You have your settings here. And then this also has a backup camera, so you can see behind your vehicle when you're backing up. CD insert is on top there. You have all of your climate controls in dual form, so you can have those different settings on each side with your heated buttons down below. All of your rear windshield wiper, liftgate, all that stuff's back here as well. And then you have a 12-volt and a USB port, two cup holders with that wood trim surrounding it. And then looking into your center console, you have this top layer that pops up, and then you can slide it back, which shows this layer. And it goes down even further with another 12-volt. Then looking up, you have an OnStar, which is subscribable, and then universal garage door openers above that. And then making your way out, this has a Bose sound system for that amazing sound quality. Okay, so looking in this back, you have quad seating, so 2 seats in the middle row and then 3 in the back. You do have the captain armrest, so you can fold those up, and you have your climate controls right there, another 12-volt, and then 2 USB ports for your charging. So these seats do fold down, so you can have easy access to that third row. Again, 3 passengers back there, you have cup holders on each side. Then making your way out and looking up, you have your roof rack up top, your LED tail lamps back here, and then your LT badging. Plus this does have a rear sensing system to alert you to any objects behind your vehicle. Then on your key fob there, you have remote start, and overall this is just a great vehicle. You have that third row seating, your media center, those heated seats, that Bose sound system, and if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other SUVs, visit our website WowWoodys.com or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.